So that day we have touched drop down and we have touched button and checkbox. On checkbox, I have told you the event like checkbox changed. On text box, I told you text changed. And on button click, we are already doing click and load. These are the 4 to 5 events we have discussed till now. Okay.
Yeah.
So now today, normally we don't do coding in like this. We don't do coding like this. We will put in a method. Do you know what is a method?
Yeah, set of commands.
A set of commands like I can see if I want to, like suppose I do public. You need to make it public. If you make it private, it will not be accessible. Okay.
Right.
So this is returning a some data table. Okay. So
Okay.
that either you can keep it string or data table or something. Okay. Or you can
Okay.
also give it void also. Okay. So I am taking as void. Okay. And I'm taking public get. I'm putting like this. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And like this. And in this, I'll put some data in it. Then this error will go. Okay. So
Yeah.
I need to call this. So in this, I'm not passing any data. So here I will not input any int or something. I'm not doing where or something. Okay. Otherwise, I
Okay.
will be putting this int I, that will be we will be doing. Okay. I will be doing. Okay. After this. Okay. So I'll straightforwardly put whole this whole this, and you can put it here. Okay. And you
Okay.
can call this method here. This method is coming, no? See, this method is coming. Without calling this method, this will not work. Understood?
Yeah. Understood.
Now I'll run this. Okay. So if a data table you are calling or a int you are calling, then same method name, public int, public string, public data table. See, understood? Okay.
Yeah.
This has been okay. Now I will change something. Here what I will do, I am doing cmd dot execute reader. Okay. I'll fill this hole in this command I will fill in data table. Okay, data table means I am making a table of this query. Okay, this query data will get filled in some table. So I am making .NET data table. ADO.NET, that is ADO.NET we will do. So in this data table type I am putting. Okay, so I will
Okay.
use data table. Data table dt, suppose I have given name, and you need to give new data table because we are making new data table. Either you can give this data table here, or if you are means you don't want to declare new, you can declare here like I declared here na. Then this will be globally. Okay,
Okay.
so then you can do here dt is equal to cmd dot, this is a data table, and I am filling this record, this one record in a data reader. Data reader means one record or records. Okay, we are adding records. Okay, so I will be adding record SQL data, and then I will do what? I will do this. Wait, I for SQL. I now need to add this dr into dt. Okay, so what I will do, I got remember. Let me see. See, we will do dt. You can do like this also. Dt dot add is there. Something is there. You can do dt dot new row. Okay. Mm, no, dt dot new row is that. Let me see. dt tr connection ADO code. dt dot load. That is what I was saying. dt dot load. Okay, is equal to dr. Okay. Okay, this I need to keep in bracket. Okay, fine. Okay,
Yeah.
and here you need to keep here dt, this dt. Okay, okay. Now this is running. I'm coming in a minute. I'm coming in 5 minutes. I'm having lunch. Okay, coming in just 5 minutes. You just see it. Okay, okay, okay. My mom is saying you do lunch later on 5 o'clock. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is how. Okay. Okay. This is how we fill the things. Okay. One more thing you can do. You can put this in query. This.
We have only one record because in the drop down it is showing only one record.
Yeah, I can add more records. I will add. I'll show you. Okay.
Yeah.
String. So normally we don't. This is the best practice we do. Okay, putting queries in string and then doing. Here we will put string. This is how we do normally in companies. Okay, now I will put data and show you. Okay, both the things I will show you. Okay, okay, this has worked. Let me show you with data. More data I will put. Oh, SQL. Yeah. So this is the table. This is the bike model table which I'm working on. I'll click on edit top 100 rows. I need to insert the rows now. So I'll do top 100 to top 200 rows. Why it is taking so much time? Select on. If I do stop debugging is fine. Let me, uh, if I close this, let me see if I have opened anything. If I opened this, then, see. Okay. So this is the row. So if I copy it, okay, let me make it. This is saying primary key. Primary key is unique key. So we have to add two here. Okay. I need to add two here, then it only will get inserted. See. Okay. So I'll make this Merlin 8, 9. Okay. Okay. Then again I will insert 3 here, and this I will make 8. Let me now show you, okay? At least 3 records you will see. You understood?
Yeah.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so now what I will do with this, I will insert here, see, here, select a we have not, if you want to insert a record at 0 value, how I will do, like I want to put select a value, how I will put through code, that I will show you, okay?
Okay.
So drop down list 1 dot items, okay, dot insert, okay, this is 0, so you put 0 index here and put list item as select. Understood?
Okay.
Now you run it. See, understood?
Yeah.
Now, if you want to make third item as selected, okay, okay, how
Okay.
you will do?
Can we insert multiple in the same place, in the same drop-down list items?
Yeah, we can add multiple. I can add, see, I can add more
But not
items.
like an extra line in the same line. Can we add multiple? No, right?
Multiple means, multiple means.
In the items dot insert, can we add like comma,
Comma we
another
can
sign?
add. See here we can add. I can add here.
Not
In
inside the record, like as an extra record in the drop down. We can't do that,
extra
right?
record we can do now. See, we can do like this.
We can do that in separate statement only, not like in the
Separate,
same line.
or we can do in loop.
Okay.
Loop I will show you. See, we can do like this. Then first you can do here, then put item here, some item here. Okay. Index means it is 0 at 1, 3, 3 at this. Understood?
Okay. Yeah.
So then if you want to put selected, selected you can do drop down items 1, okay, 1 dot selected, okay,
Okay.
is equal to true. Like this you can make it true. I'll change the name of this, okay. This track is coming, a duplicate record is coming, so I'll change the name, then you will see, okay. Let me make track 1, track 2. It again got hanged. This SQL Server hanging problem, no, because I today installed AWS CLI also for them in my
Okay.
system. I'm teaching them AWS CLI even, that is why this is getting hanged. Okay, so this track 2, then this is track 2. Mm. This must have inserted, let's see for the here, okay. Now I will run it, okay, because I have changed, 2 items I have changed, so let's see now. See, understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So these were the things I was getting to tell you. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you want to see DR data reader is the connected form of architecture. Means if when your connection is open, then only it will get connected. But if you want your like your system would be connected, you need to use data adapter. Okay. So how it would be? You will declare here SQL data adapter. DA is equal to new SQL data adapter. Okay. So it will be DA dot fill this DT. Okay. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
And I think in this should be, yes, DT should come. Wait. This is a very important question. What is the difference between SQL data reader and DT? DT reader is a connected form of architecture, and data adapter or data table are disconnected form of architecture. Okay. SQL command dr with data with drop down I need no with drop down. No, this is fine only. Okay. This works only as a bridge. This is working as a bridge between DR and DT. Okay. This is. So you will put in DT here only. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So these are the things. Now I will make a procedure of it. Okay. Okay. This procedure of it I will be making, and then I will be through procedure I would be inserting this data, same data. We are doing with the query now. We should not do with the query. We should do with the procedure. So I will make a procedure. Okay. So how I will do? I'll do script table as. Okay, this and this. Okay. So I will write here create procedure. You know now what procedure is. Hello. Hello. Do you know what is a procedure?
Yeah. Store procedure.
Yeah, stored procedure. Yeah. So I'll keep some name. I'm keeping DDL drop down bike something. Okay. And I'm keeping sometimes in the companies people say keep SP before this so that we know this is a stored procedure. And this In this, there will be no input parameters as we are passing no input parameters. So, in a stored procedure, parameters are not required. They are optional. So in this, in functions, parameters are always required, input parameters, but in stored procedures, parameters are not required. They are optional. This is the difference between stored procedure and function. Okay. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Yeah. Now I'm executing it. Okay. So this stored procedure has been built. This will come here.
Okay.
See, fine. Now
Yeah,
you can execute this. You can write exec, whether this is working or not. See, you can you can run this like this. Understood?
okay. Yeah.
Or you can execute from this also from here.
Yeah, I know that part. I know the SQL Server and all.
Okay, okay, okay. So this meeting will get ended in 10 minutes. What you will think? In 10 minutes I will do with my lunch, and then I'll share the new link, and then I will show you that procedure one, all these things. Will that work for you?
Yeah, that works for me.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.